Craving dessert but short on time and want to skip the guilt? Get ready for the easiest, most delicious treat that feels absolutely incredible. These viral 5-minute chocolate caramel banana cream bars are about to become your new obsession. First, grab those perfectly ripe bananas and slice them about half an inch thick. Lay them out on a parchment-lined tray. Now for the magic, a generous drizzle of your favorite healthy caramel. I'm using a luscious date caramel here for that no-guilt sweetness. Next up, the dreamy creamy layer. I'm using a light and airy whipped coconut cream for a dairy-free option, but regular whipped cream works just as beautifully. Spread it evenly over the caramel, creating a cloud-like topping. Pop that tray into the freezer for just 10 to 15 minutes to firm everything up. While it chills, melt some good quality dark chocolate. Once firm enough to handle, cut them into perfect bar shapes, then dip each one into that irresistible melted chocolate. A final sprinkle of flaky sea salt elevates the flavors even more. Back in the freezer for just another 5 minutes to set that chocolate. And just like that, you've got a viral-worthy, no-guilt chocolate caramel banana cream bar. Enjoy this sweet escape.